So from the intro, you guys saw that beautiful wig that I am about to install. I'm so excited for this summer color. Just a little quick colored hair backstory. I have been coloring my natural hair for years, unprofessionally. And to be honest, my hair has been through a journey. Like, cause I love color. I love to embrace the richness of what a color in someone's hair or in a unit gives. So I realized, well, for one, I need to stop coloring my hair myself. And I did. I started to get back to my natural state, and my hair has been flourishing ever since. And that's because I've been wearing more wigs with color in them instead of doing it myself. The next time I get my hair colored, it will be by a professional. I actually have a hairstylist near me that I'm gonna get her to give me some color soon, but not yet. So until then, I will be rocking my wigs with these popping colors. So that's why we're here today, to show you guys a great option for not only a pre-highlighted wig, but it's curly and it's long and it's summertime. So I mean, I would wear it in the fall too, but really anytime. This hair is from Nadula hair. Thank you guys so much, because I'm in love with it and it's not even on my head yet. This video will just be an install with no baby hairs. So if you guys want to check out how I style my curly units and how I'm going to be doing my baby hairs, that will be in another video. So this will be one of my first videos without baby hair. So I'm going for like just that clean natural hairline, no baby hair look. But exactly what I just said, y'all know the baby hair is coming soon, so it's in the next video. So I'm talking too much. The next part will be a voiceover on the parts that I feel like need to be said, something need to be said. So until the outro, see you guys soon. To start, anytime that I'm going to be wearing a wig, I always oil my scalp in between my installs. My braids are crusty, I know, but hey, that's what a protective style is for. I'm using my Camille Rose growth serum, and I use that in between my installs. I will be going in with my Got2b to just make sure my baby hairs are brushed out of the way. And then after that, I'm applying my cap. I do slide my cap back a little bit because it's black. I don't want it to be noticeable with the hairline of the wig. And I want to give a quick shout out to my lash tech at So Icy Minks on Instagram and Facebook. She understands the assignment and she always gets me right. I do have sensitive eyes, so that's why my eyes are looking a little irritated, but after a few hours, it goes back down. Now let's get back to this hair. So this is the hairline. I put it on a mannequin to show you guys, and this is a look of the curls with nothing on it, no product, no nothing, straight out that mesh, y'all. You can tell it was lightly plucked, and I didn't do anything else to it. I kept it how it was. I will be trying out this lace tint that I got from the beauty supply store. I've never used a lace tint, and I'm going to go in with my tinted moisturizer on top of that to push everything down into that lace. So I've never used a tinted lace spray, so I'm just trying it out first on a piece of paper towel, and just to see how it goes. Then I'm just going to spray it all onto that lace. After I spray it onto the lace, I then go in with my tinted moisturizer, and I just press everything down with my foundation brush and get it to the desired shade or desired thickness that I like. Okay, so I just tinted my lace, and I use a little bit of my tinted moisturizer. I don't use foundation. I just use my tinted moisturizer, so it's the perfect shade to just, like, I don't have any on right now, and I may drop a skincare routine, because I honestly feel like I've been doing great on my skin. I just have my brows outlined and my lashes. That's just how we looking. I did not bleach the knots. The front came, it looked like it came bleached, but the back knots were a little bit more noticeable. But it's already processed. I didn't want to go and bleach the knots. I don't know. This is a quick, easy way to make the knots not knotty. The construction of the wig, it's a 13x4 lace. You have 2 combs near the ears, where your ears would be. You have a comb in the back, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. All right, so I'm just gonna pop it on. I don't think you're ready for this, Daddy. It's giving, I know everybody said this in their videos, but it really is giving Beyonce vibes. But it blends really good with my skin. And you guys can tell the front knots, they had to have been bleached. I think it's definitely pre-bleached. But for this install, I will be using Gots to Be freeze spray and a little bit of my Gots to Be ultra glued. That looks so good. I have my clips here. I'm just gonna clip back the hair. Back with a voiceover. Okay, when you're cutting your lace, if you're using an eyebrow archer or some type of sharp object, please be careful to not cut yourself. Once when I did this, I actually cut myself a little bit, and that thing burns. Like, y'all know, if you've ever cut yourself, you know it burns. So just be very careful and take your time when doing this part, and you should be good, especially if you're using an eyebrow archer. After I cut off the lace, I go back with my Gots to Be freeze spray to help with that little white cast that sometimes happens. And that literally will melt it even more to where it's blending into your skin. I do that to both sides. And then I take my satin scarf and put it back on to let that just go ahead and melt on down. So since I'm not styling the hair right now, I will be adding some Garnier Fructis to give it some oil until I do get ready to style it, like the wet curl look. But for now, I'm gonna wear it in like it's Lion King state. I love this color so far. Can't wait to see how the lace looks once I let this sit for a second. So once I cut my lace off, I go back over with my Gots to Be to help like with that white cast that sometimes comes up when you're laying a wig. So that's what it's doing right now. She's marinating, you know, she's laying. These highlights, jeez Louise, they're beautiful. To define my part, I will be using my concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Almond. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. If you want to see how I define my curls and how I add baby hairs to my curly hair, I'm gonna actually be trying a new technique using a 3/4 inch flat iron, 1/3 inch flat iron. I got it from Walmart, but that would be in my how to style curly hair and baby hair video, which will be the next video I post after this video. But all the information on this hair will be in the description box. Thanks to Nadula hair. I'm loving it. I love it. I love how it has a lot of highlight. It's a lot of honey. The undertone is like a rich brown, but the blonde helps overpower it, and I really like that. It's more dominantly blonde. Like, let me step back. And the density on this is ridiculous. Like, this can get pretty big. It set pretty good with my skin, even though it was like a brownish lace. It melted really good. So thank you guys so much. Again, if you found this video helpful, come on and take off with me and subscribe to my channel. You know, come on and take off with me. Ashley, we're gonna be popping it. But on a serious note, I'm gonna be Nala, you know, for the night. And then tomorrow, you know, she's gonna be slick and curly and wet. But until next time, bye guys.